How to get LinkedIn Premium free. If any day you are a LinkedIn user and you would like to get the LinkedIn Premium for the free, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find LinkedIn application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then you can search LinkedIn there. After you search LinkedIn there, you can find the very application of LinkedIn. You have to tap on it. After tapping on LinkedIn, you can see that LinkedIn will be launched on your very mobile device. After LinkedIn is launched on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you have to go to the next option. That is, you have to go to your profile like option on the top, and then what you can do is you have to see the option for here. You can tap on this very option for the premium option. After tapping on the premium option, now you can see that you can get LinkedIn Premium for 1 month free. Therefore, you can tap on this very option, try 1 month free, and after you tap there, you can see the interface like this. Now again, you have to tap on the option try 1 month free. After tapping on try 1 month free, now it takes you to an interface like this. Now here you have to add your credit or the debit card by tapping on the option of add credit or the debit card, and then you can go to the option of save. So this is the way on how you can get LinkedIn for free. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.